Hello, my name is Rashna Shah. My children had a little problem with their health, and especially my daughter Yashika. She was suffering from severe constipation. She used to cry quite a lot. Where she used to struggle passing stools. She used to find very hard passing stools. The whole day she used to be in pain. On many occasions we had to just give her a suppository and relieve her of the pain. Then it became very severe and we thought this should be solved, and this is when we thought homeopathy would be the right thing for her. Why not give a try, because there are no side effects. So we went to Sattvam clinic in Malleshwaram, where Dr. Deepak Shah saw her, took her history and everything. And now 6 to 7 months down the line, I have seen quite a lot of improvement in her, and she's almost coming to her normal now. So I'm very glad for taking the treatment over here. And again, it applies to also my son, who is about 3 years plus. He is also having the homeopathy treatment. He used to have quite a lot of frequent cold and cough, which with allopathy he used to recover for some time, and again it used to recur. But when I started him on homeopathy, he started building up the immunity for it, and now his cold and cough has almost gone away, which I am quite glad with homeopathy it has helped.